Can't play League because of vcruntime.dll was not found error? No worries, in this video I'll show you how you can fix this issue. So let's dive in without wasting any time. Solution 1. First, install the latest DirectX end-user runtime program on your computer. To do this, open this link in your favorite browser. Don't worry, I'll leave the link in the description below. Then, from this page, select your language and click on Download. Now open the downloaded file and click Yes to give permission. Then click on I accept the agreement and then the Next button. Untick Install the Bing bar and click on Next again. Now if there's a download for DirectX available for your Windows 11 computer, it'll be shown here now. Just hit Next and it'll start downloading and installing DirectX on your PC. Just wait until it's done. After that, just hit the Finish button. Now check if the error is gone. Solution 2. If you're still getting the error, check and repair Windows system files. To do this, first type in cmd in the search bar here. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Then click on Yes to give permission. Now type sfc/scannow here and then press Enter. Now the verification process will start. If there are any corrupted files on your computer, they will be swapped with the good ones. Once the scan is done, restart your computer and you should be able to play League without that error. So that's how you fix vcruntime.dll was not found error in League of Legends. If the video was helpful, don't forget to like it. And if you're still struggling with this issue, let me know in the comments below and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching!